This is the second machine of 14th March 2024 being checked for a Daraz order. Abdullah Kneader latest model AE390 of 3.5 kg max capacity. This is the shipping label. It has a metal blade, a measuring flask, a plastic blade, and a warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. This is the back side. We will show you from the bottom. It is absolutely okay. There are no damages. And now we will start the machine. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. Then we pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then pack it in this brown sheet. Finally, in this bubble wrap, pasting fragile stickers on it so that it is safely transported to the customer's address. The machine is about to be automatically stopped, and then we will pack it for the Daraz. There you can see the machine has stopped, and now we will pack it for the Daraz. बस अब इसको जो है ना पैक करके ब्राउन शीट में और बबल रैप में पैक कर